Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hard reset the TECNO Spark 10 Pro through recovery mode. This will also allow you to remove a screen lock if you have one set. Hold the power button and select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Once you see the logo, release power but keep holding volume up. When you see the Android with no command, hold power and press volume up once. In recovery mode, use volume keys to select Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with power. Select Factory Data Reset and confirm again. After data wipe is complete, Reboot System Now will be selected by default. Press power to confirm and the device will reboot and continue resetting in the background. Once finished, you'll be presented with the Android setup screen. The process is now complete and you can set up your device as you like. If you see a lock icon in the corner, the device is FRP locked. This means you'll need to verify the previously used Google account during setup. There is a way to bypass this, which will be covered in the next video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe,